In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically launch a new web browser in Power Automate. This is a handy trick for those who need to streamline their workflow and ensure that specific web pages are readily available whenever necessary. So, let's dive in and learn how to do this step by step. To get started, you'll first need to open Power Automate Desktop on your computer. Power Automate is a fantastic tool from Microsoft that allows you to automate tasks across applications and services, making your work life a lot more efficient. Once you have the application open, you'll want to create a new flow. This is the automation workflow you'll be setting up to perform the task we're focusing on today. Look for the New Flow button. Give your flow a unique name that you'll easily remember and then click Create. Think of this as your project canvas, where you'll be piecing together various actions to achieve your goal. Moving along, it's time to add the crucial component, the Launch Browser action. In the Actions pane, which is conveniently located on the side, type Launch Browser into the search bar. This search will help you swiftly locate the action. Once found, simply drag and drop the Launch Browser action into the main body of your flow. This is an intuitive way to build your flow, allowing you to visualize each step clearly. Now that you have the Launch Browser action in place, let's configure it. You need to select which browser you wish to launch. For example, if you prefer using Microsoft Edge, make sure you select that as your browser. Next, choose the Launch New Browser mode. This ensures that a new browser session will start every time the flow runs, providing a fresh start for your tasks. Then, enter the initial URL you want the browser to open. For instance, you can specify https www.example.com or any web page that you need on hand. Also, take a moment to decide on the window state. If you want the web page to open fully on your screen, select Maximized. Otherwise, you can choose another window state based on what suits your workflow best. There might be additional options available for further customization, so don't hesitate to explore those to tailor the action precisely to your needs. Once your configurations are in place, we're almost at the finish line. Click Save to store all the settings and actions you've configured in your flow. This is an essential step, as committing your work prevents any potential loss of progress. Finally, click Run to execute your flow. This will launch the browser according to the setup you've finalized. And there you have it. You've successfully created a flow in Power Automate that automatically launches a new web browser. By following these steps, you're not just automating a task, you're enhancing productivity by having resources at your fingertips when you need them the most. Happy automating!